Built in 1915 under British rule, the historic bridge has stood for 110 years and remains a proud landmark today. Built with solid iron trusses and piers, it features robust colonial engineering, spanning the Kedah River around 80 meters. It was part of early 20th century infrastructure supporting trade in commodities like tin, rubber, and agricultural goods. The bridge still bears battle scars, bullet marks, and demolition damage from World War II, when British forces partially blew it up during their retreat after the Battle of Jitra. It is now transformed by the state government into a vibrant recreational site. This location is set to become an iconic attraction for visitors to Alor Setar. It draws photographers and history lovers for its vintage charm, especially during sunrise or sunset.